Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the importance of scheduling and copyright strike. I just posted a video some few hours ago and I scheduled it for January of 26th. I'm going to show you on my laptop in a minute. And I just got a copyright claim. Now there's a difference between a copyright claim and a copyright strike. But either way, YouTube doesn't want you to have all of this infringement or breaking their rules and regulations. So if you're posting on YouTube, you want to be very careful to make sure that you don't get these copyright claims. But one thing you don't want to have, you don't want to have copyright strikes. So also going to talk about how can you avoid copyright claims or copyright strike in this video. Let's get to it. So guys, I'm here on my laptop and I'm just looking at the last video that I posted on YouTube some few hours ago, and I shared this video for January 26th, some 2 days in front. Now if I had not scheduled this video, YouTube would have given me a copyright claim the way you're seeing on my laptop right here, and it would have affected my channel negatively. So I want to show you one way to avoid these copyright claims or copyright strikes. Now, so what is the reason as to why I got a copyright claim in the first place? I think that is the first place you're supposed to start from. The reason I've got a copyright claim is because I've used free music audios online. Now, I use two websites to get my music. The first one is pixel.com, which I use to get my music. The other one is pixabay.com, they also use to get my music. And of course, they have a lot of good music and sound. And they claim that this music and sound are not copyrighted. Like they're free for use for anybody outside there to use for any of their videos. I just want to warn you that be very careful when using videos from Pixabay or Pixel.com, because these videos or audios or music, some of them, the website will claim that they don't have any copyright claims, but from what you've seen in my laptop here, you can just see that of course, these music or audios have copyright claims on them. Now, for some reason, a copyright claim is not so bad as a copyright strike, but either way, you don't want to get these strikes or claims from YouTube because it just puts a bad reputation on your channel, and YouTube might not promote your videos so much because YouTube wants you to do their ads on your videos and on other post videos. Now, so long as you have a copyright claim, YouTube can't do an ad or an advertisement on your video. So you are giving a bad reputation on YouTube, and hence it will become difficult to monetize your videos. Of course, you can't monetize your video if you have a copyright claim. So one way that to cut the long story short, one way I'm telling you to avoid a copyright claim is don't use free music from online free websites. You will get a copyright claim and it will interfere with the reputation you have with YouTube, which is not good for your growth. I have these copyright claims still here, and thank God that I scheduled my video. Now again, the other thing I'm talking about is the importance of scheduling your videos. You have to schedule your video. It's so important because one thing that is going to help you when you schedule your video is you're going to have this copyright claim before the video goes public. Now it means you can pull down this video and try and edit it further or remove the parts that have copyright claims in it before YouTube can start giving or feeding this video to your viewers or subscribers. So again, one way to avoid copyright claim is stop using music from Pixabay, Pixel, and all these other free websites and putting it on YouTube. Well, you won't be bad from YouTube if you are going to use this music because you can use them, but remember, your video will not get ads and hence you can't monetize that video. So why waste all that energy and time? Create a good video like the one I created. It took a lot of time to create this video. It probably took me over 8 hours to edit it, to compile it, and to do the thumbnails and the titles and all the description to have it on my channel. And then I just get a copyright claim. You see, all that energy and time has been wasted. You don't want to go through all that. So to be on the safe side, just don't use music from this free website. If you want to get music for your channel, for your YouTube channel, please use it. Just use paid websites like Epidemic Sounds. You're going to pay for it. It's not expensive. It's only $15 a month, but you're going to get value for your money, and you won't get these copyright claims or copyright strikes from YouTube that will really affect your channel growth and your growth in YouTube as you're supposed to have it moving forward. Talk about one, I want to talk about copyright claim. So don't use free music on websites like this. You just have a bad reputation with you and YouTube. 2, power of scheduling. Please schedule your videos. Please schedule your videos. It helps you to get these copyright claims in advance before your video goes public. Alright guys, if you're enjoying this content, if you're getting any value from this content, make sure not to forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below and also comment with something about copyright claims. Also, don't forget to comment with anything as far as copyright is concerned for us all to learn so that we don't get these copyright claims or copyright strike. Now, I've already gotten one copyright strike on my channel. I can't afford to get another one. Remember, you only have 3 chances in YouTube. You get 3 copyright strikes, you are out of YouTube game. You are out completely, regardless of how many videos you have. You are out. YouTube gets you out of their platform, and that's it. No questions asked, no buts, no nothing. YouTube kicks you out, and you have to start afresh. Imagine having millions of subscribers or tens of subscribers, or imagine you struggle to get even 1,000 subscribers just to get 3 strikes, and then YouTube kicks you out with probably got 50 videos. All that hard work gone to waste. So let's avoid these copyright strikes, let's avoid these copyright claims by doing the right thing. Don't use this music from this website unless you are using it just for private use and you're not going to put it on YouTube. Alright guys, that's all I had for today. I hope you've gotten some value from this video, and if you have again, don't forget to subscribe and comment with 1 below if you've gotten some value. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that this video is helping them, helping you, and helping others to grow on YouTube. Until next time, see you. Now, if you're still there, I created this amazing video. Please don't forget to watch this next video. Please click it and watch it right now.